how close are you to actually halting interest rate cuts?
So good morning, Francine, and thank you for having me. So let me start with the big picture. When I became governor 2.5 years ago, inflation was at the highest since the change from communism to capitalism 30 years ago. And inflation was 17.5%. So we managed to reduce it to exactly 2% at the beginning of this year. And right now, the rates are 4%, and we are saying we still have to be restrictive. Mm-hmm. So austerity is good. Austerity keeps core inflation, I would say, very low. It's necessary to keep core inflation very low, and that's the only way how we can keep overall inflation low in a small, open economy like the Czech Republic. Our problem was that before the COVID, interest rates were close to the zero for more than 10 years. And too much money was created in the economy. And that is the reason, or that is why inflation pressures are, I would say, very persistent, or the inflation is persistent. And I think the policy mix for the future should be, firstly, keeping interest rates higher than before the COVID for the next 10 years, I would say.
So higher for longer?
Higher for longer. And secondly, which is also important, governments must balance their budgets. Because if they don't do it, I think there could be a risk of second wave of inflation. And another cost shock could be like a trigger for this inflation.
But we're discussing a lot the potential of extra tariffs from the U.S. under President Trump. The Czech economy is also very dependent on car sales, and that's slowing down in Europe. How concerned are you about tariffs from the U.S. and car sales?
Yeah, it could be the problem for us, for the Czech Republic, and I think I expect some creative destruction in automotive industry in Europe, and I'd say that the largest and most famous automotive company in the Czech Republic is Škoda Auto, part of Volkswagen. And I think that they made a big mistake by focusing only on following EU targets and dreams of regulators instead of competing with Tesla or Chinese cars. So I think maybe automotive sector will be like a sad example of how regulation can harm the industry, and we as a Czech National Bank must set some example. So that means that we have to be more pro-market. And what does it mean? It means that, for example, we reduce our workforce by 5%, and we will introduce a program to cut red tape, but we have to stay strict, and at the same time we will keep a same level playing field, I would say.